Hello friends, I'm happy to meet you and I'm taking you to our AK7DOLL. Doll, how are you?
I'm good, how about you?
Equally good. Address.
Hey guys, it's your girl AK7DOLL TV and today I am going to be doing another collaboration with Konjaneram English.
Fine. This is a concept where we discuss strange things.
Yes.
To be more specific.
This is a concept where we discuss pronunciation mainly. Say,
This is a concept where we discuss pronunciation mainly.
I will tell you the words and their pronunciation. If I am wrong, you must correct me. Right?
Okay.
Plumber. Plumber.
Plumber. See, most people say plumber because B is there. Actually, plumber is wrong. Like that B there, it should be silent. It should not be heard. Instead, say plumber.
Okay, fine. Plumber, American, plumber. Plumber are silent,
Plumber.
British.
Plumber.
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 Okay. Plumber you can say Indian English. It's not wrong, but it is considered non-standard.
Yeah, it's not considered wrong. It just sounds like you're not pronouncing.
You Google it. Indian pronunciation.
Plumber.
Plumber is acceptable. Okay, for them, no problem. Next one, FWOD, food.
It's food.
Oh, good, right.
Not food. Most people, they say food, grape, water, light.
Yeah,
They add to everything.
I understand.
Chair, microwave, light, phone. They just say everything like
you
that.
sound funny, no? Okay, you are humorous as regards the inflections, the
Thank
closing
you so
sounds.
much.
SIXTH, how to say? SIXTH.
Can you say it in the wrong pronunciation?
Yeah, I'll say. Sixth.
Sixth.
Yeah, there now you must stop. Sixth. The TH sound should not be heard because it's voiceless, right?
Yeah. Sixth.
Okay. About the TH sound, no, you have this pronunciation.
Yeah.
THIN, how will you say? THIN.
Tenth.
Thin. THIN. How
I
you-
am very bad at trying to find out words when you
I'm
try
asking
to
you,
say it.
THIN, how will you say? Thin.
Sin.
Okay.
Oh no, you have been going much too far. Control yourself.
When you say that no, there must be a gap between the upper teeth and the tongue.
Thin.
Air must blow out, right?
Yeah, you should blow the microphone.
Okay. Can we have a halt here for a while?
Yeah, we can have a halt here for a while. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Bye.